Hello beautiful people, today I'll be teaching you how to make an aloe vera hair growth oil. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, which helps in promoting healthy hair growth, and also vitamin B12. And vitamin B12 helps in the production of oxygen-rich blood cells which feed hair follicles. So let's jump right into it. We will be using coconut oil as our carrier oil. You can use whatever plant oil that is available. Also, we have a nicely washed and sliced aloe vera. So we will blend our aloe vera and our coconut oil together. Make sure that the oil covers the aloe vera. So now our aloe vera and coconut oil has blended into a paste, and all we need to do is put it into our pot and then heat it for a while on the stove. While heating your aloe vera paste, make sure that the stove is on its lowest heat because we don't want our oil getting burned, which will in turn destroy the vitamins in it. Now make sure to stir your mixture regularly so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. To know it's time to take it off the heat, you'll find that the mixture has more oil, just like you see, than paste. So just set it aside to cool down. Once it cools down, you can start straining it, and after that all you'll be left with is your oil, your aloe vera oil ready to be used. Don't forget to hit the like button, to subscribe, to share if you'd like me to continue creating content like this in the future.